Okay guys, that's what's sometimes going on. Basically tapping the key, nothing going on. The car can start, but you're not gonna be able to use the keyless entry. All what we need to do, we need to get 2032 battery, which looks like this. Our regular key fob, our regular key. If you have one with the back door, so as you can see, there's a little door in there, and there is a little spot for inserting some kind of thing right in the edge. Use the original key, lever at the actual back door. It's that easy. Pop the battery, get the new one, push it in, and basically lock the mechanism. Let's check this out if it's working. Ooh, it does work. Bam, locked. So I'm just tapping the door handle and everything working. So that was that easy. Sorry guys, I wasn't meant to film that. I simply wanted to take one battery from the one key fob and install to the other one, but the other one have a little door which is X5 key fob, which is got the 2032 battery, and apparently I was at a Walmart and they doesn't have the proper battery. So, and now we have the 3 series E90, which is the generic key fob. So this one particular doesn't have battery door. Apparently battery is located right here. I start cracking it open. So what I did use, basically plastic tool. You simply remove the key, pressing that little button there, got your plastic tool, doesn't matter which one, and like jam it inside of the key ring. As far as that here, you kind of try to wiggle it a little bit, get your screwdriver, and trying to freaking just go hard. And now go lower the edges. I will tell you right away, it's pretty tough to actually open one of those key fobs. How you can see, there is not going to be a successful job with like cracking open the particular key fob. So for that guy, we have our battery soldered to the actual motherboard. I already have the video how to deal with that. But on the top of that, it's a 2020 battery and it's rechargeable battery. After you crack open the actual key, there is no way you're gonna like just pop it close and that's it. The only way you're going to either solder it back, either you're gonna glue it up together. So I will try to reset both of those keys. Apparently one of them is from 3 series, little smaller one, and the second one, they're actually exactly the same. That one is not generic one, so I probably be able to simply code that key. We'll see what's gonna happen. I going to be able to actually reset all this stuff. So anyway guys, if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and let me comment below. Like I said, it's not going to be easy to actually pop the thing open